So hello friends, welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll be sharing 5 softwares that are widely used all over the world. So let's begin the video. The first software is Audacity, and this software is used to record audio. Interface of this software is very easy and I think anyone can use it. To record audio, click on red button, and to stop, click on rectangle. You can also change playback speed of this audio. You can set this as MME as it is compatible with all audio devices. And if you're facing any problem with volume, you can set recording or playback volume from here. This software gives you options to choose different microphones and speaker. You can also set recording channel as mono or stereo. In this software you can record and edit audio in multiple formats. You can also take different audio and blend them together. And if you want a detailed video on Audacity, comment below. Next software is Adobe Premiere Pro. It is used for editing videos. It has a lot of features such as animated titles, color correction, comprehensive support for up to 8K resolution, enhanced audio control, and multicam editing. In Adobe Premiere, you can edit all kinds of footage, whether from a professional camera or from a phone. Though Adobe Premiere is a paid software, but you can use pirated version. I have given a link in the description. You can download it from there. The next software is Droidcam. Most of us don't have a face cam, but after downloading this software, there will be no need of face cam, as Droidcam will turn your mobile camera into a face cam. It has 4.4 rating in Play Store. After downloading Droidcam, open it in your phone and PC and write device IP and Droidcam port from your phone. Then click on Start and your camera will be converted into a face cam. But before using Droidcam, make sure your phone and computer are connected to same Wi-Fi network, otherwise it will not work. Next software is Internet Download Manager. This software helps to resume download even after closing browser. It is a 4.4 rating in Google Play Store. Next software is OBS Studio. It allows you to capture screen in HD quality and stream it. All live streamers and gamers use this software. So this was the last software. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share and subscribe for more such videos.